Yes, students, today I'm going to teach you declarative sentences. I have already told you that there are four types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamative. So today we'll discuss declarative sentences. So you can see the definition there: make announcements, make statements, or simply tell something about something, and always end with a full stop. So, what are declarative sentences? How will you identify? You will see that they are simple sentences. They simply make announcement. They are telling something or making statements, or it is given for information. And always the declarative sentences end with a full stop. There is no exclamation mark, there is no question mark, there is a full stop after the declarative sentences end. Now it can be of two types, positive and negative. In positive, we don't use not. Okay? And in negative, we are supposed to use not. When we use not, it becomes negative. Now, see some examples. There'll be a holiday tomorrow on the occasion of Republic Day. It's an announcement. It is telling something simply. Now, see the next example. She went to the shop. You see, it is telling something. It is not asking question. It is not ordering anything. It is not commanding anything. The sentence is not helping us to request. It is just simply telling you something, that the girl is going to the shop. And then see the last example. The boy is playing in the park. So declarative sentences always tell you something. Okay, it follows SVO word order. You know what SVO is? It is subject, verb, object. Declarative sentences are always in this word order. First, the subject is written, then comes the verb, then comes the object. What is a subject? Subject is that person about whom, or it can also be a thing about whom the sentence is, or who is doing the main work. What is the work? Is playing. Okay, it's an action verb. And object. Object is something which add additional meaning to the sentence. So always declarative sentences are in the form of SVO. Okay, always you will find a subject, then it will take a verb, and it has to take an object as well.